In this video, we'll learn how you can find and view the Wi-Fi password right on your iPhone. If you need the Wi-Fi network password in order to connect another device to the same network, but you forgot the password in your home, the coffee shop, or office, then watch this video until the very end. It's really easy to do this, and the only requirement is that you have to be running iOS 16 or later on your iPhone or iPad. This will not work for iOS 15 or older versions of the software, so just make sure that you are running iOS 16 or newer, and we can open our settings. After that, we'll open our Wi-Fi section where we can see all of the available networks, as well as the Wi-Fi network that we are connected to. Just tap on the little eye icon at the right side, and that is going to open our Wi-Fi network information, and you will be able to see the password in here. The password is hidden, so we will just tap on it and wait for the phone to scan our face for security reasons. And as you can see, this is the Wi-Fi password of my network, so I can copy it and send it to a friend or whoever needs the Wi-Fi password. If you want more iPhone and iOS tutorials, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor and check out the iPhone playlist, which I will put in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.